Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Windows 11 search bar closes immediately. You're going to right-click on the taskbar to choose the option Task Manager. Here, click on Run New Task. Enter services.msc, check the box, create this task with administrative privileges, and click on OK. Now double-click on the service, Windows Search. Press the Stop button to stop this service, and then click on Start to enable it again. Click on OK. Again in the Task Manager, click on Run New Task. Now enter CMD and check the box, create this task with administrative privileges. Click on OK. After that, run the command that you see on the screen to restore the operating system image. You are going to wait for this process to be completed. When it finishes, you will see the result that was generated. After this, run the command sfc/scanO in order to run a scan of the file system. Press Enter. As with the previous command, wait for this process to complete. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Finally, you will see the result of the scan. For everything to be confirmed, you must reboot the system. When you log in, validate that the taskbar opens correctly. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.